Good morning, all. Today is another work day. Now, if you remember correctly, about a month ago we replaced two batteries, chassis batteries, on a motor coach. Well, now we're going to replace 4 of the coach batteries. So stick with me. Okay, here are the batteries. Way back there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. We've got a picture of them so we know where the cables go. We're also going to, before we get started, draw out a schematic of them. Okay, we got 2 of the batteries out. Got 2 more to go. Forgot to set up the camera, but we got the GoPro set up. You can go with that. Okay, as you can see, we got them out. We're going to clean this up a little bit. Put the new ones in. It's nice and clean. We're going to put the, they got a hard plastic pad that goes down here. We're going to put that down, and then we're going to start with putting the batteries in. Okay, we got them all in here. We got them hooked up, but we're going to clean up these terminals first, check everything. Okay, got them in there. Got them all sprayed up. Now we're going to test things out. Okay, I get the batteries loaded up. We're going to take them back. These are the old batteries, of course, if you couldn't tell. We got to take them back and get credit for the core. It's 27 bucks a piece for the batteries. That's $108. Okay, this is where we got the batteries. We ordered them online. Got a huge discount because we ordered them online. And I took them back, the old ones back to them. So they do whatever they do with the old ones. Okay, we got the new batteries installed. And you'll notice we had a little excitement there, some sparks jumping around a little bit. That was my error. When you're replacing these batteries, it's best to probably disconnect from shore power, which I didn't because I wanted to watch the TV and so on. But anyway, we got them installed. Everything's okay. And we took the old batteries back, got our core charge, which was $27 per battery. And part of the reason that core charge is so high is they want you to bring those batteries back. The government doesn't want people taking those batteries out in the desert, shooting them up and leaving all the toxic stuff out there. What the battery company does is they take the acid and boil it up and clean it out and recycle the acid. They do the same thing with those the lead plates in there. They boil those up and clean them up and recycle that, and they take and grind up the case and make new cases out of them. So That's why you want to take those back. You don't want to take them out in the desert and shoot them up. And another thing, and keep this in mind, always remember this: wear safety glasses, gloves, and use the proper tools. Hope you enjoyed it, and come back and visit us.